Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share 5 stocks that you can trade for intraday on Monday. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is Sun Pharma and this is the 15 minutes time frame of Sun Pharma. And as you can see, this is 200 EMA and it is taking a support on 200 EMA. Right, we also can spot a support level over here. Right, as you can see, this is a support level and the stock has been moving in this range continuously. If I draw a resistance level over here, you can clearly see that the stock is moving in between this range. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break down. Once the stock breaks down this level and closes below, a short entry can be taken. And this looks like a good target to me. This looks like a good target. I'll just check how big this is. 2%, which is very big. So what you can do is you can consider this level as your first target and this as your second target. Right, so this is it for Sun Pharma. Very simple. You just have to wait for it to close below this level, and if it takes a retest, you can just put a stop loss above the retest level and wait for a short trade. Once the short trade is activated, you can just consider this level as your first target and this as your second target. Okay. For long side, I wouldn't really recommend taking a long trade before it sustains above this level because this looks like a choppy area and it doesn't feel very comfortable to trade in choppy areas. So I'm only recommending it for a short side. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have NTPC. NTPC also, as you can see, this is on 15 minutes time frame and it is on 200 EMA. Also, we can see a level over here, right? This, as you can see, can be considered the shoulder, the head, and the second shoulder. So this is a head and shoulder pattern. So what you can do is you can wait for it to break down and close below this level. Once it breaks down and closes below this level, a short entry can be taken. I think this looks like a good short trade. Yeah, 1.3% perfect for intraday. This looks like a good target and this you can consider as a final short target. Okay, again for long side, what you can do is just in case, okay, for long side, this, if the stock takes a support from here, goes up and sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken and you can consider this level as your long target. Okay, very simple. Okay, it also gave a breakdown of a trend line, I guess. Yes, see, it also broke a trend line, right? So once it closes below 200 EMA, I think it's a very good for short side. This looks much better than the long side. So would be better if you look for short side only and not for the long side. Moving on to the next one, we have Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, as you can see, it is near 200 EMA. And also we do see a level over here, right? Yeah, we do see a level over here. So once it closes above the resistance zone and 200 EMA, a long entry can be taken and this level can be considered as the target. I'll just check how big this is. 2%, which is very big. What you can do, you can consider this level also as a target and this as your final target. But the thing with Bandhan Bank is that it gives big moves. Okay, so you can consider big targets. This, I think, is too small for Bandhan Bank now. Because Bandhan Bank gives really big moves. As you can see, this moves and this moves are really, really big. So you can consider a little bigger target and you can consider pivot also as a target. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have ICICI Bank. As you can see, it has already given a breakdown. It has sustained below 200 EMA. So we're going to close 200 EMA as of now. And we also see a level over here, right? Okay, do we also have a trend line? Perfect. Perfect. Very good for a short trade. So what you can do is you can wait for it to close below this level. Once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken and you can consider this level as your target. I'll just check how big this is. 1.1%, which is okay for intraday, and you can consider this level as your final target. Okay, this looks very good. ICICI Bank. Moving again for long side, I won't really recommend anyone to take a long trade as of now. Yeah, okay, maybe if you want to take a long trade, you can wait for it to close up above this level. Once it closes above this level, you can take a long trade. You can consider this level as a long target. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have HDFC. It is already below 200 EMA. Let's close it. We don't need it as of now. Okay. So we do have a level over here. What we can do is we can wait for it to break down. Once it breaks down this level, a short entry can be taken and can consider this level as the short target. Yeah, 1.5%, which looks perfect. So this is basically it for the video, guys. I've shared 5 stocks. This looks very good. HDFC looks very good for a short side and not for a long side. I won't really recommend taking a long trade as of now. Okay, because this looks better on the short side. Just in case if you want to hold it further, you can hold it till here. So this is it for the video, guys. I've shared 5 stocks: Sun Pharma, NTPC, Bandhan Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and I hope you liked it. And I'll see you in the next video.